my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And this is our Christmas in July series. Now just giving you a heads up, I am trying to batch record 3 videos at once. Because tomorrow, this will come out Thursday. Hopefully today, the day I'm recording this, one will come out today. And then Friday is Finish It Friday, so I'm going to make a video for Finish It Friday. And then I'll try and make a video for Saturday. And good news for Saturday, my husband, who is going to finally come home after 2 knee surgeries on Saturday. So I'm very excited about that. So, with me, I don't know if you've seen my short, but one of the famous Christmas traditions I like to bake are toffee squares. I had done a short on that, but I will leave the blog post, which is the recipe to make these very, very yummy toffee squares. Okay. Okay. They're very good. And I also brought tea with me. Alright, this is another mug that we picked up in Germany from the Christmas markets. This one's from 2002, but I don't think we were in Germany in 2002. So, sad news on the mug I showed you in a couple of videos back. I had dropped it in the dishwater while I was washing it, and I broke my mug, which is sad. It was a very pretty mug. So hopefully I won't break any more. Anyway, this tea is blood orange from Trader Joe's. I've never had this before, so I should have brought a spoon with me. Not bad. Okay. I digress. So surprisingly, that this video, I was planning this to be my first Christmas video, was the gift bags that I had been making. If you've been to this channel a little bit, you've probably seen all these gift bags. Okay, I made this one during, I was watching a live. I'll give you a moment so I can remember the channel. If I get it wrong, I think it's Michelle in Kansas. I'll leave her. I'm sorry if I butcher your channel name. I will leave that link in the description. But she had a live, and she was just making this gift bag. So this is very simple. I mean, you can adjust this to any size you want. I just made a base as big as you want it. I think I had a foundation chain, and I went around the edge. Then you can do back loops. I went kind of like a single, kind of like a front post, the single crochet, to give it that edge, and all that is a single crochet. So anyway, I think the only prerequisite that she mentioned is I think that it had to be this top, the number dividable by 4, so you can get the scalloped edge on it, and it's a double crochet and chain 1 space for the drawstring. So yeah, that's a simple one. And the rest of these are the pooling ones, and I do have a tutorial. Well, yeah, it is pretty much this one. Let's see, this one. This one, I wasn't planning on it to pull. It did this all by itself. I wasn't planning it to pull, and to my surprise, Mistletoe, it pulled. So yeah, this one is small, but how it did, it's like at the end, like I didn't get, you kind of got half the one triangle on that one. Let's see, I think one of these, oh, this is the one I did the tutorial, the one I did the video on, because I did a different color for the base and did the mistletoe yarn. Right, I digress. Okay, and I did experiment and made one with a handle on it. try to keep the pulling going with the handle. That was a kind of a pain. And this one, this is the one I had actually frogged a scarf to make this cute little pink bag. So I'll probably try to make some more, because this is a good idea. Maybe you have somebody that maybe probably appreciates a more eco-friendly version of a form of wrapping a gift or presenting a gift, besides wrapping it in paper to not feel going into the landfill and stuff like that. Because I would have thought Christmas wrapping paper is compostable, but I guess there's something on the paper that it's not. I would have thought Christmas wrapping paper would be not eco-friendly, but anyway, somebody might appreciate a gift bag that can be reused, like something that can be reusable, and also they could double and use it as a purse or something. All right, that was all I had for this video. I will leave a link for the tutorial on how to do the pulling one. But keep in mind that you don't have to use pulling yarn. You can do one color or do stripes. It doesn't necessarily have to be with mistletoe. Also stay tuned if you see my Joann haul. I had got their version, like the Big Twist version of the mistletoe type yarn. So I haven't done that yet, but I'm curious to see if that one will pull like the mistletoe will. So stay tuned for that. That is all I have. If you did like this video, please give a like. Want to see more content like this? Please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.